Good morning, everyone. So, Jura Höhenweg, Etappe 5, so Jura Crest Trail stage 5. Starting off over there with 751 meters elevation gain, which already puts me at over half of the total elevation gain for today, first thing. So, yeah, very happy, very excited to do this. Weather hasn't been the best as of late. Today's probably the clearest day that I've actually seen to be able to do this. The past couple of days has just been not nice at all. Like, you can't see more than 10-15 meters in the mist, and that for me is not fun. I mean, it's definitely fun for the atmosphere, but I'm here for the views, not 50 Shades of Grey. So yeah, other than that, let's get to it. Happy days. Well, the good weather window that I've had is gone. I have a gut feeling it's going to be as bad as it has been the entire week. I'm just grateful I have a distance of maybe 50 to 80 meters, because up here it can get to the point where you can't see more than a few meters ahead of you. So due to that, I'm going to wait a little bit, see if it improves or if it gets worse. Yeah, because you know, I don't want to walk ahead and then lose where my camera is. So yeah. So, as you can tell, all the trees and everything have a very, very nice coating of ice. Like, not joking, half me genuinely feels like Mr. Tumnus from Narnia is going to pop out in the middle of nowhere. And, yeah, this has definitely got some like Narnia, Lord of the Rings kind of vibe to it. So, yeah, that's that. Well, good news is that the weather's actually picked up, so I'm very, very happy with that. Yeah, the foul weather window from earlier obviously closed. So yeah, fingers crossed. I might, really hoping that the weather's friendly with me today doing this. I really hope that towards this evening, when I get to Weissenstein, the end point, hopefully there's a very nice cloud inversion. So standing on the Jura, sea of clouds, and then the Alps. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If not, I'm sure there'll be plenty more opportunities to observe that sort of phenomena. So yeah, going's well. Not too much to say on that really. It's just on the downhill slog at the moment. After 700 and something meters of elevation gain. So yeah, there's only one more ascent. Oh yeah, I think the way it works is you've got the big up, which is the ascent from Balstal to Hallgipfli, which is where I've been. Then you've got a minor descent, which is what I'm currently doing. Then you've got another large ascent, then flat, then one last ascent, and then you're at the Weissenstein. So yeah, happy days. I don't know when or where, but I've crossed the cantonal border. So I was hiking in Canton Solothurn. I've now moved into Canton Bern, which is also the which is obviously named after the capital city of Switzerland. So yeah, that is what. So I started in Canton Zurich, Aargau, Solothurn, Bern. Yeah, that's 4 out of 26 cantons. So yeah, rather yeah, that's pretty much it. 4 out of 26. I haven't checked how many cantons I'm going to be crossing, but I think it's around maybe 6. I think, off the top of my head, I'm not too sure, but yeah. We'll cross those borders when I get to it. So yeah, happy days. Righto, so I've had a little bit of a slight route alteration where I'm not 100% fully following the Jura Crest Trail. I'm still in the right area. I've just deviated a little bit off the track. So the actual Jura Höhenweg is the track that's down there. I'm currently following a slightly different track which gets me to the same destination. But yeah, that was my mistake. I misread the signs. So it's not completely, it's not as bad as it's not, I mean, it's not as bad as it could be, but it's also not as good as it should be, if that makes any sense. But yeah, not too long to go now to Weissenstein. I reckon another couple of hours and I'll be done. So yeah, but I can't really complain. The foul weather window that I had earlier is now gone, and it is replaced by nice warm sunshine, which reminds me that spring is not too far away and summer adventures are happening as well. So yeah, that is that. Happy days. Okay, so you can see where the path used to be along there, and that's why they've installed this really cool steel bridge. You know, it's like something out of like Indiana Jones or something, you know. It's probably a bird or something. But anyway, as I was saying, it's like something out of Indiana Jones. Just instead of vines and planks and stuff, it's made of steel and concrete. But yeah, unexpected, but definitely not unwelcome. Happy days. Okay, so I'm just plodding along the final ascent here. Yeah, I don't know reasonings behind it, but I got a notification on my phone saying that I'm currently in France when I'm in the middle of Switzerland. The French border is, I think, 60 kilometers north of me, that way. So yeah, I'm in the middle of Switzerland, yet my phone thinks I'm in the middle of France, but oh well. Interesting times, but not long to go now, and then get some grub, and then wait for a bit, catch the gondola back down as the valley, and then trains home. Happy days. Happy days. Well, that is stage 5 over and done with. Just heading up to those buildings there, where I will catch the lift down. But beforehand, I need some food. So yeah, nice little mountaintop restaurant, some food. Not really too much else I can ask really, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and yeah, happy days. Well, dinner's been had, and it turns out the information that I found online regarding the lift is, yeah, not accurate. Oh dear. Which means that, yeah, I need to hoof it down to, was it Oberdorf? Near Solothurn. That's where I'll catch the train. So, from what I heard, it's only a 40-minute walk downhill, which is good. So it's all downhill, not too bad. Good news is I'm fully fed, fully fueled up, ready to rock and roll. Happy days. Well, I am back. Civilization, just waiting for the train to get me to Solothurn, and then Solothurn back home. So, yeah. Happy days. It's been a long day, it's been a good day, and it's been very, very fun and needed. Because when last night I really didn't want to come out today. I'm just kind of lucky in a way, I guess, because I checked the webcams, because the weather all week has been terrible. You know, you couldn't see more than 3 or 4 meters at some point with the cloud yesterday and the day before, and yeah. So woke up this morning, first thing I did obviously was check the webcam, and then, you know, saw a cloud inversion. So the whole Swiss Mittelland was just covered in cloud. No cloud up at 1200 meters. So yeah, I was an hour delayed, but I, you know, got ready, got out there, and had an absolutely fantastic day. So yeah, just looking forward to just going home and sleep. So yeah, happy days. Happy days. So yeah, that's it from me now. Yeah, just smash out the edit. Finished. So yeah, on that note, happy days.